The Triaxe Sport folding mobility scooter by Enhanced Mobility is a unique and original portable folding scooter that has an amazing 35-mile range on a single charge and can go up to 12 miles per hour with the standard lithium ion battery. With an optional travel battery, the Triaxe Sport is within TSA guidelines for airline travel, with a range of up to 18 miles. No other airline-approved scooter has that distance or performance. The Triaxe Sport is the ultimate portable unit that combines controlled speed and superb distance. The total weight of the Triaxe is only 49 pounds, and it can hold a capacity of up to 350 pounds. Being a three-wheel scooter, the Triaxe Sport has an exceptional turning radius, so handling this unit in tight spaces is simple and easy. The Triaxe Sport comes with rear disc brakes and a main parking brake. It offers front-wheel drive and has adjustable handlebars, featuring a pull-out luggage rack and an LED front headlight. Regain your mobility independence with the Triaxe Sport folding mobility scooter by Enhanced Mobility. Call AutoMobility store today and receive free shipping. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.